Welcome. Let's make a chord progression today. Then go. Now I'm gonna add this one so that you can just fill up some spaces, but I'm gonna take it out soon. So let's go. First I go look for Sukuru. It's a Chinese cat plugin that actually has some great sounds in it. Now let's go look for some sounds. First I'm gonna add a Ghost Note 7 ninth minor so that it can help me put correct notes. I mean, I don't know how to pronounce it or say it right, but this is the Ghost Note that's gonna guide me to make a great chord progression. So yeah. Now this is how it's gonna look like. It's a Ghost Note. Now let's go look for melodies. Sounds. I'm gonna look for the right one. Yeah, I kinda like this one. Now let's make a note. Let's make a chord progression. As you can see, I'm copying the ghost notes so that it can sound clean. I think it has to go a little bit higher. Yeah, I think this is gonna be nice. Thank you. That's nice. Now I'm gonna add some more. I'm not done. So don't go. I'm gonna add some more, to make a melody not to sound like it's just the same chord progression repeating. Now that's what I was talking about. It has to sound like this. You can add some more if you want to, but yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit. But I don't think it's gonna sound nice. But I think this is good like this. You don't have to add too much, but make it sound a little bit different, Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Chance and subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment down below what you think. Danko, and I love you guys. I love you. Yeah, Danko.